Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for all your support. Today we'll be making a face mask. I'm going to draft the pattern on a piece of paper, 6 inches by 6.5. Here I'll mark 1 inch. One inch. On this side, if you want just half of this, or you measure 3 inches. I'll measure 3 inches. I'll connect it. So on this side, I'll measure 1.5 inches. From this point, I'll connect it to this 1.5. On this side, I'll measure 1.5. From this side also, I'll measure 1.5. From this 1 inch, I'll connect it to this 1.5 on this side. From this 1.5, I'll connect it to this 1.5. This is the upper part. So this is what I have. I'll use this to cut out 4 pieces of. I'm going to cut it out. The fabric is on fold. I'll do the same on this one. I'll cut it out. This is the upper part. Wrong side of the fabric. Wrong side of the fabric. So I have 4 pieces. So what I'm going to do now is to join these two together. This is the right side of the fabric and this is the upper part. Right side together. I stitch it on 1/4 of an inch. So what I'll do next is to press it. I'll open the seam and press it. I'll do the same on this one. I've pressed it. What I'll do next is to join them together. This is the right side together. You will pin it, you will stitch it together, you will sew on 1/4 inch. You will do the same on this side. I've stitched it together 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch. So what I'll do next is to bring it out from this side. To bring it out from this side, so I'll press it, but I'll push 1/4 inch inside this way. I'll fold it inside 1/4 inch inside this way and press it. I'll do the same on this side, fold in 1/4 inch and press. I've pressed it. I folded 1/4 inch in. So what I'll do next is to fix the elastic. You can use the elastic of your choice. I'm going to use this one. I have 6 inches here. 6 inches. You can adjust yours as you want. So I'll fix it this way. And stitch on it. I'll do the same on this side. I'll fix the elastic. You can adjust the elastic to your size. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.